Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. So, today I'm going to be showing you and playing with my fidgets. So, I don't have every one of them because I have a lot of fidgets. So, yeah, but I'm going to be showing you most of them. And make sure that you are keeping an eye out on my channel, because soon I am going to be posting a new video. It should be on today. So yeah, let's get into this. So first, I'm gonna show you some of my poppets. So these are all of them. I have more, it's just not with me right now, but I have this one. It like pops okay, but not the best. This side pops better than this side does. So yeah. And I have this one, which it pops really good on both sides. I actually got this one for my birthday, my 8th birthday, which was not too long ago. It was in June. Oh, and I got this one at Claire's. This one I got at the Columbus Zoo. It's like really cool and fun, but pretty much right when I got it, I realized it was broken a little bit on its nose, but it's fine. Okay, so next we have this adorable little monster thingy. It's just like a little monster thing that you can put on your finger, basically. I got that from trading with my friend. These are my squishies. They're like really cool. I have a unicorn one. So cute. And it squishes really good. Better than this cupcake one I got. But I got both of these from my friend as well, just a different friend. Most of these fidgets are either from my mom or from trading with my friends. So yeah. So then we have this, my simple dimples, my big simple dimple. And then we also have another puppet. I still haven't took out of the package yet, but it's like Snoopy. You see, he's saying, ha 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 ha. Yeah. And then we also have this like Rubik's Cube thing. It's like really cool. It's probably one of my favorites. I haven't solved it yet. It's like really hard. I've only like guys, you see, I did one part a match, but then the rest is not matched. Yeah, it's like really hard. But then I have this squishy. It's not very good. It like squishes good, but it doesn't, like, the colors and stuff aren't very good. And then I have this. I'm pretty sure it's called like a snake or something. Yeah, but I have it. So, oh my gosh. I do not want to take all these fidgets out because I just took forever trying to get them in. It's fine. Let me just get these out. Oh, and by the way, you can order this cute thing on Amazon. It's really cute. It's like a little purse you can carry around, and it carries up. And it comes with a whole bunch of fidgets that you can put in here. So you can tell I have a lot of fidgets. There we go. I think that was all of it. Yeah, that was all of it. Let me just put this stuff back in there. Okay. So I have, let's start with mochis first. Okay, these are all them. I got this cute pink starfish mochi. This blue hippo mochi. This blue snail mochi. This yellow and red chicken mochi. And this blue porcupine mochi. It like even has those cool feelings to it and stuff. Oh, yeah. But then let's see. I think they're called like wacky tracks or something. I'm gonna move on to those. So I have 2 green and orange wacky tracks. So comment down below if I got like some of these names wrong or something. I'm sorry. I don't know like what every single fidget's called. So yeah. But I got these, and yeah, the orange and blue and green ones. 2, and then I have a blue bike chain. She's blue and stuff. Yeah. Bike chains aren't really like that cool to me. Like they can be kind of boring. Honestly, I think real bike chains are better. But then we have these like finger thingies. I don't know what they're called. Comment down below what these are called. Usually I just use them to like rub around on my finger. I don't even know if you're supposed to use them like that. Yeah. I have all of these pop tubes. I have pink, I have red, I have green, I have blue, and I have pink, I have orange, I have yellow, I have blue, I have green monkey noodles. And then I have pea poppers, 2 of them. Yeah. And then I have a green marble mush. I don't know where it is, but then I have a pink and purple one. Yeah. I have this simple dimple. It has like 3 little thingies to go on it. Really like it. Oh, I forgot. I also have a purple monkey noodle. I have a puzzle ball. I like to unsolve it and then solve it again. Sometimes it's like can be really frustrating. I'm gonna unsolve it so later I can try to solve it again. There we go, all unsolved. Okay, and last but not least, infinity cube. Boom. So, yeah. Comment down below which fidget of mine was your favorite. Bye, guys. See you in my next video.